Yes, I am a shithead. Alright, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
We gotta get the lights on too to do this so we can see it. Oh yeah, he's snoring, isn't he? See, it's too dark on this. You can't see it. No, we need light. We need light. No, we can't on the camera. Come here. Come here. Damn it.
There's a flashlight on my phone.
There's a flashlight? Yeah, turn it on. Turn it on.
I'm an accomplice.
Yes, you are. Turn it on. See that, Vince? There's evidence she's an accomplice. Okay. I need you to get close to his face, though, so we can at least see it. You have gotta be kidding me. Okay. Obviously, we didn't get the reaction we were looking for. He's way too drunk.